Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest tech gadgets. Today, we're diving into a unique device that combines the simplicity of an e-reader with the functionality of an Android tablet. Let's see if the Mobiscribe Wave Color 3 lives up to its promises. The Mobiscribe Wave Color 3 positions itself as an evolution in e-reading technology. Boasting a 7.8-inch color e-paper display with impressive capabilities for an e-reader. It's designed primarily for note-taking and reading, with a pen-driven interface that aims to enhance productivity. Taking a look at its design, the Wave Color 3 is lightweight and portable, designed with a deep blue, rubberized rear for a comfortable grip. Unlike traditional e-readers, it features a recessed screen that prevents accidental swiping. However, it lacks physical page flipping buttons, relying solely on the included stylus for navigation. Under the hood, it's powered by an all-winner B810 processor, which, coupled with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage, aims to handle basic tasks smoothly. However, the real standout is its 7.8-inch Kaleido 3-color e-paper display, offering 4,096 colors. This unique display technology, while innovative, presents challenges in terms of speed and responsiveness, often causing noticeable delays in operation. Moving on to software, the Wave Color 3 runs on Android 12, providing access to a wide range of apps. However, the implementation is cumbersome, with limited app compatibility due to certification issues with the Google Play Store. Users may resort to side-loading apps via APK files to bypass these restrictions, which detracts from the seamless user experience expected from an Android device. In terms of performance, the Wave Color 3 excels as a note-taking device, leveraging its vector-based Notes app for detailed sketches and handwritten notes. The e-reader function is also robust, offering a pleasant reading experience with customizable settings. However, the device struggles with responsiveness in more demanding tasks, reflecting its limitations compared to conventional Android tablets. Let's summarize the pros and cons. On the positive side, the Wave Color 3 is lightweight, waterproof, and offers a unique color e-paper display suitable for outdoor reading. However, it falls short in performance, with sluggish operation and limited app functionality, especially given its price point. Wrapping up, the Mobiscribe Wave Color 3 is a niche product that appeals to specific users looking for a dedicated note-taking and e-reading experience with the added novelty of a color e-paper display. While it has its strengths, potential buyers should weigh its limitations carefully, especially in comparison to more versatile Android tablets. That concludes our review for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below on what you'd like to see next on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tuned for more tech insights.